Hello friend, in this project we make security system with PIR sensor. Now we search the component Arduino, select Arduino and drop here. Then also search PIR motion sensor, select PIR motion sensor and take breadboard, one breadboard, two LED, connect here, one and second LED. Also search buzzer, take buzzer and connect in the breadboard. Now the last one, take two resistance, connect to the LED 1 and 2. Now change the value of resistance 470. Also change this value also 470. Kilo ohm to ohm. This also change the kilo ohm to ohm. Now first we connect the negative Arduino to breadboard. Negative pin connect to the breadboard. Here we connect the negative pin to the breadboard. And change the color of negative pin black. Positive pin also connect to the breadboard. Also change color red. Now take two resistance, connect to the LED to the cathode pin. This one resistance connect to the cathode pin of the LED. In breadboard, if we connect this pin for ground, then we take all the pin ground. If we connect the positive pin, all pin are positive. Here with 5 pin. If we connect here, then we will power from 5 pin. It's a parallel connection and it's a series connection. That's why I connect resistance to the LED of cathode and second pin connect to the ground of the breadboard. This one and this also connect black. Also connect the negative pin of the buzzer to the breadboard. Now VCC pin of the PIR motion sensor connect to the Arduino. Ground pin connect to the ground of the breadboard. Delete the wire. Ground pin connect the ground of the breadboard. And change the wire color black. Power pin connect to the breadboard 5 volt. Now we connect positive and negative. Now signal pin connect to the Arduino pin 7. Now connect the LED pin also to the LED pin connect to the Arduino. LED cathode pin connect to the Arduino. First LED connect to the 6 pin of Arduino. And change the color of wire brown and also change the color LED. This is red and this is green. Simple click on the LED and change color here. Change the color from there, green. Now green LED connect to the 5 of the Arduino. 5 of the Arduino. And also connect the positive pin of buzzer, 4 pin of the Arduino. Yellow. Now you see circuit will completed. All the circuit will completed. If PIR motion detect, then LED will be glow, green LED and buzzer will glow, otherwise red LED on. Go to the code section, click on the code, take one variable, click on the variable and create variable, type PIR, take PIR variable name. Also delete this block, simple drag and drop here, then block will be deleted. I generate the variable, then take set PIR to block. PIR connect to the digital pin. We choose the block input and read digital pin and put here. PIR sensor connect to the 7 pin, then select 7. And also go to the output section, output block, take print to serial monitor and change the word hello word to PIR block, this block put here, and start simulate and see the output. If PIR sensor detect, then value 1, not detect, then value is 0. Now give the condition, go to the control block and take if and else. Here we take math block and put this block here. In first block we put variable PIR and second block 1, go to equal to sign. If PIR value 1, then value will be detect, otherwise not detect. If PIR value is 1, then buzzer and green LED on. Buzzer connect to 4, green LED connect to 5. Go to the output block and take 3 block this. Take 3 set pin 0 to high. Take 3 block. In first block we put 6, 5 and last one 4. Buzzer connect to 4 and green LED connect to 5. Red LED connect to 6. Then it goes to low. If PIR sensor value is 1, then this block will be play. This block will be execute. If sensor value is 0, then this block will be execute. Now go to the output. No, only duplicate, go to the output and say take 3 set pin 1, 2 and 3 and change the value 6, 5 and 4. In this block only red LED on. Red LED connect to the 6 pin. Only 6 pin has high, 5 and 4 pin low. If PIR sensor value is 1, then this block is execute, otherwise this block is execute. Now start simulate and see the output. If PIR sensor not detect, then see red LED will be on. If PIR sensor detect, then green and buzzer on. If PIR sensor detect, then buzzer and green LED on. Here you see that. Now red LED on because PIR sensor not detected. If detect, then green and buzzer on. Now project is completed. Watch the next video.